So, I don't know if you can hear. Basically, this has gone underneath here. You can see what I'm doing here. Right. Right, so there's been some progress in here. I've still got my mask on, obviously. Wear the right mask.
A few moments later.
Inside, this is dried, which I'm dead chuffed with. It's absolutely rock solid. That's been fixed. Obviously, I could sand it down if I really wanted to, but I don't, because it's going to be covered. And you've got this down here. All this is going to be sawn today. Well, some of it's going to be sawn today. You can see up here it's been filled. That's not going to be dealt with for a while. Obviously, I've just done the filling job. There's this job here that needs to be cut, and then when it's cut, it'll get cut, and then it'll be covered with the probably more of this easy body filler. But we'll see how we go along. What I'm planning on doing is making sure that I can like fill over the areas underneath. So my aim now I've done the worst bits of getting it started, is I'm going to try and go over the areas where they're on the outside, so that the outside is sealed from the weather. But already it's starting to feel physically different in here, and it's also starting to look different and smell different. Obviously I can still smell a lot of the stuff, but it's been cleaned, like there's loads of progress here, and it's really good. So it feels different in here, the whole atmosphere and the temperature when you first walk in, how dry it is, you can smell less moisture. So I'm really chuffed with the progress that's been made so far. So today this is going to get fixed and made prepared for the next job. This is going to be prepared for the next job as well, and the other thing that I'm going to do is I think that's it. I think that's it. So I think those are the two jobs that I'm planning on doing. Right. Right, so you can see one side's been done and cut down. Now all I've got to do is just gently sand over that, put some filler on some of the gaps, and then move on to the next side. The next side's the one that I'm going to record for you guys. You made me jump there, sorry.
Alright.
How are you doing?
No bad.
Take care, my friend. Oh dear. Oh, that's a nuisance. Oh. So I've brought some steel wool to carry this on a positive note. So I'm going to carry on with the wheel arches, which is those things there. I'm going to carry on with them on the underside,